Hey everybody, it's Julie at Quilts Plus, and it is December. We're celebrating Christmas soon, but we want to feature that final block for you for the sampler for 2021. We have finishing kits that are being packaged up and ready for you if you pre-ordered. If not, they're $66 and you're going to want to get on that right away because they go quick. You can always call us at 269-383-1790. But today we're going to focus on the December block. And I'm going to go through those cuts with you on each of the blocks this time so you'll know exactly what you need to be doing. Okay? So let's start with the Garden of Dreams. You can see this is the December block here. And we're going to start with your light. And for that light green, you're going to cut 6 3 3/8 inch squares. And then you're going to cut those once on the diagonal. Then for your medium, which you see here has those green beads, that one you're going to cut 4 squares at 3 3/8 inches, and you're going to cut those once on the diagonal. And then for your dark green fern, you're going to be cutting those at 3 3/8 square, and you're going to make 6 of those, and then cutting those once on the diagonal. Now we're going to head over to Batik Blue Green. It's over here. And you can see here just how beautiful this is. There's a light blue background. You have a medium green, and then you have a dark blue with a little bit of a green leaf in it. So let's start with that. The light blue, you're gonna cut 6 of those at 3 3/8 inches and put that'll be a square, and then cut those once on the diagonal. Your medium, or that green that you have in the kit, you're gonna cut 4 of those 3 3/8 inch squares and cut those once on the diagonal. And then for your dark, you're going to cut 6 of those and then at 3 3/8 inches and cut those once on the diagonal. Now it may be a little confusing as you see here on the block, but it's on point right now. But if you look here, these are using half square triangles. So as you've done in the past with the last 2 blocks you've done with us, you're going to be doing half square triangles. Okay, so lay out your block as you would. Lay that out before you assemble. And then from there, you're going to just assemble these pieces. You can chain sew those. You're going to iron your seams open on these. And then you're going to assemble them 1 row at a time. Okay, each row. And then once you've done that, you're going to assemble these rows together. This time, you have the option of ironing that seam open once you've sewn those together, or you can also, I would iron my seams open on this one. So iron your seams open, as well as you're going along here when you're first assembling these, you're going to want to iron those. I just am ironing them all open today because of the fact that there's a lot of different things going on. This is called a puzzle. It can be a little bit of a puzzle, but you guys are really good at this. This is not a hard block. You've done this before, so you're going to enjoy doing this. So this will be 10 1/2 inches when you're finished. And if you know how that is, some of you call me and say, hey, it's not 10 1/2, it's 10. Fine, we can work with that. We'll help you with that if you have questions. We'll go back over here to Garden of Dreams. Again, you can look at that one. Usually I use that as the example, but today it was the Batik Blue Green. Again, you're going to be assembling these, and as you look at it, it's on point, but we're going to be heading this direction across as you assemble your blocks. Okay? So don't get confused by the way it's on point. That's just for the design of the quilt that we're doing. Again, you can always call us, but that should finish up at 10 1/2 inches. And one thing I do want to mention is that if you need any shortcut tools, it's not too late. We still have those here in the store, and we're willing to help you out with that. One other thing I want to let you know is that we've really enjoyed having you be a part of this sampler for 2021. We have some fun quilts coming up, samplers for next year. We'll keep you posted on that, but enjoy finishing this up. And know that we're here to support you. We have Choose Your Projects here in the store that we can help you with. If you want to assemble those, we'd be happy to help you. Have a wonderful Christmas and enjoy your sampler.